Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel, and I want to thank all the new subscribers out there for joining my channel, and I also want to say Merry Christmas to everybody. I want to give you a little update on what's going on in the loft as of right now. In here they have eggs. This guy here still hasn't picked the mate out yet. They got eggs. They should have eggs any day. These guys here should have eggs any day. These guys here got eggs. They have eggs. And them down there should have eggs any day. And these guys got eggs and these guys got eggs. So everybody in here has got eggs just about. So, which is not bad. Everybody's outside right now trying to get away from me. And today is kind of a chilly one out here today. It didn't have no freezing water. We had actually 5 below zero this morning and no freezing water, which is a good thing. I still got some straw in here for them to make nests with. Some of the boxes are a little bit hard to get some of the poop off, like this one here. I can't get it scraped off because it's still hard and frozen on there, so. But it's okay. It's gonna happen, unfortunately, so. But like I said, I just wanted to give you a little update on what's going on in here. And the other loft, I'll show you what's going on in there next. So, in this loft in here, we still got the first 2 pens up there. They have eggs, actually 2 eggs and stuff. The bottom one there, he has eggs. And the guy that was supposed to be on the very bottom one there, he actually decided to make a nest over here with his mate. And they have 1 egg, so kind of curious to see how they all do in here. But everybody's doing great, looking good, so kind of looking forward to see how everybody does. So, and then the Sion bit loft, there's only 1 set of eggs in there. There should be another set of eggs coming here pretty quick. So, but I wanted to again say Merry Christmas to everybody and hope you have a safe and happy holiday. So, well, keep you up posted. So, thanks for watching. Bye.